are in the post-pandemic world now. Pandemic brought in a set of challenges, business challenges which the world was not ready, and a lot of it was addressed using technology. Basically, a lot of tech hiring happened based on the need of the pandemic, which was big in any sense. In a post-pandemic world, and where a lot of American government shelling out trillions of dollars in doles, that era has ended. We are back to reality now, and the bellwether of the tech giants, Google, has announced 6% layoffs, which is the biggest in its history in the last about 25 years. Fundamentally, that means that Google primarily sees the given year of 2023 and 2024 as officially a slowdown year in terms of the tech business. And taking the cue from Google, I think we expect a lot more organizations across the world in the tech space to also minimize and also go for job cuts, which primarily could be anywhere between 5 to 10% of the global tech workforce could see layoffs in the next 2 quarters.
So as you mentioned, 6% now. 6% overall globally, or like in particular countries they have targeted?
It's globally 6%. Google has a workforce of close to about 2 lakh people that way. So close to about 12,000 is what has been announced. But the rumor is that there is going to be a lot more as well. So I think we will basically see the rest of the key players, including Amazon, to Apple, to your Facebook also going the similar route. Fundamentally, the whole idea here is that Google knows better about anybody else about what's the likely scenario of the economy of the world. So Google is a bellwether when it comes to layoffs.
So since you are into HR, you've been consulting, you've been into it.
Yes.
What could be the reasons exactly?
It's fundamentally the expected business growth of 2023 and 2024 are expected to be very mediocre or very little growth is seen. So there are no new opportunities to tap. COVID gave a new opportunity for e-commerce to tap into a whole new ecosystem which was not existing earlier. So given the current scenario, I think that is now an addressed scenario. What is nothing more left out at the moment that we see, and we are also in a post-chat GPT world where a lot of need for developers in the days to come is going to be much lesser than what we see today.